Welcome, today I am with Sony Xperia 1 Mark III, and today we are going to check if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection. This smartphone is from the European distribution, and take a look on the display. Let me just clean it a little bit. Okay, and right now take a look closer, for example for the edges. As you can see, we cannot find here any protection. There's no foil, no tempered glass. So if you want to protect your smartphone, if you want to protect your display, definitely you have to put something here like foil or tempered glass, wherever you want. So yeah, unfortunately we cannot find here any factory protection on the display. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.